So in today's video, we have a 1971 Chevelle in. It's another Chevelle. If you want to see a 1970 Chevelle that we did that was incredible, check out the video in the card. But this one is in for a paint enhancement. We're going to clean up the interior. It has a few little imperfections on the paint that we're not concerned about, but it's something that I always point out. And a few things on the glass that the customer was also concerned about that we're going to remove. If you're enjoying videos like this, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. Yeah, you like this drying towel?
I dried the whole car, and it's still dry on the edges.
Wow.
Just the middle.
That's awesome.
Kind of wet.
Yeah, that thing is awesome. That's a purist drying towel. I'll have links down below. So now that the car is washed and deconned, let's do a couple of test spots. I feel that there's some overspray in areas, so we might have to tackle that as well. But I think there's some overspray in areas, and as you can see, there are a few little dust nibs here and there. It's not like the silver one that we did. That one, the paint job on it was incredible. But there are a few little minor dust nibs in here. But overall, doesn't this thing look incredible? They don't build them like this anymore. We were just talking about how there's no plastic here. Look at the cowls. Nice aluminum cowls and no plastic trimming. It's all aluminum trim. Really nice. So as we take a look at the paint, we do have some minor swirls and some hazing and some other weird stuff going on here that we want to remove. There's some weird etching there, some other weird things going on. So let's see if we can sort that out, cut that out as much as possible without going full paint correction, because this is not in for a full paint correction, this is in for a paint enhancement. So the paint is looking incredible, and we're pretty much done polishing. We're going to do very little on the interior, mostly just glass. So wifey's hitting all the glass, and we'll just do some wiping down of the leather and plastic and vinyl, and condition that as well. But as far as vacuuming goes, not really a ton of vacuuming to do here, just dusting. But let's move on to these aluminum wheels. Now, we are not a wheel refurbishing business at all. When it comes to uncoated aluminum, this is what I mean. This is uncoated aluminum. How do you polish this? I'm going to do a separate video on the Detailing Workshop channel, so go check that out. If I have it in the card up in the corner, if I have it there already, go and check it out. If not, then come back to this video. I will have that video out because I'm going to record it right now. Now for protection, we're going to use Suds Lab ceramic spray sealant. I don't know if they have links to this yet. I eventually will have that, but this is kind of a special product, and it was sent to us by Suds Lab. And overall, I am really enjoying this product. The application is incredibly easy, so I'll just show you briefly how to apply this stuff. Spray it on and wipe it in. It's that easy. No smearing on this one. You don't need to use a damp towel or anything like that. It is extremely easy and very glossy, very slick. They actually have 4 different ceramic products in their lineup, and it is pretty incredible. They have a shampoo, they have this sealant, then they have a detail spray that you use for maintenance, and they had another product, I forget what it was, but it is an awesome lineup of products. Suds Lab is making some really, really nice stuff. I got some other products of theirs, and I'm really enjoying their products. And the cool thing is, you will eventually be able to buy these locally at Walmart. They already have a couple of products at Walmart, but they are full 32-ounce bottle, professional grade style products. Pretty awesome stuff. So not as fancy as the 1970 Chevelle that we did that had a lot of custom work. This is a little bit more stock with a few extra things here, as you probably would know if you're a car guy. But yeah, this thing is incredible.